Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be making hawaij masala or Arabic spice. This spice is used for kabsa or mandi or Bukhari rice in Arabic dishes. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So in a bowl, I'm adding in half a tablespoon of coriander powder. Then I'll be adding in a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of whole black pepper. Then I will proceed with 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Then further add in a stick of cinnamon. Then add in half a piece of nutmeg. Then I'll add in half a piece of star anise. Then add in 4 green cardamom pods, or you can use 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder. Then add in a teaspoon of cloves. Then you can add in a pinch of saffron for aroma. Now I will just grind this mixture out. So I'm done with that, and here is the ready product. You just have to use 2 tablespoons of this for 1 kg rice, or you can use the measurement called in the recipe. So if you liked my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.